February 9th, Paul and I survived another giant storm. This one happened to dump how many feet, Paul, you think? About 3 feet?
3 feet?
Yeah, maybe. You can't even see the truck. We can't even find the truck. It's up past the wheel wells. It's incredible. Incredible. I've never seen anything like this. Never seen anything like it. It's impressive. Very, very impressive. Yeah, head back in. Are you cold?
Yes.
Turn the heat on. Turn the heat on if you want when you get in. Try to get down to a lower level. Oh, there you go. So you can see that this is. It's not just. There, I zoomed in. There, I'll show you. See, and then it goes up. Oh, on zoom actually, because then you can't really tell. But look at this crap. Isn't this crazy? And it's perfectly level, so it's not just a snowdrift. It's actually perfectly level. It's amazing. Absolutely amazing. You can't really get scale. The only way I can do that is if I take one of these. I'll show you. I take one of these vacuum tubes. See how high it is? It comes up to my belly button. Comes right up to my belly button. There you go. That's how high it went. Leaving about maybe a foot. Yeah, pretty nuts. Here's my neighbor. Snow throwing his driveway. Boy, look at that thing. It just charges right through it. That snow thrower is no joke. Man, that thing is no joke. I cannot believe how much snow we got. Cannot believe it. We maintained power the entire time, thank the Lord. No damage to any of the trees thus far. I mean, they said that we still have a windy day ahead of us. Gusts of up to 35 miles an hour. Ooh, they had some damage from the top of their tree. I haven't checked the neighbor's yard yet, but yeah, these hibiscus or hydrangeas have pretty much had it. The snow has kicked the crap out of them. They're all like bent into weird shapes. I'm sure the other one's the same way. All right, guys. Well, hopefully, I'll put this up on YouTube. People are finally coming out to survey the damage. Alright, YouTube world. How do I do this?